Today we're going to look at the world's smallest electrostatic Bluetooth speaker by BenQ, treVolo S. The treVolo S uses the same electrostatic technology that typically was reserved for high-end speaker systems, with a distortion rate about 1/10 of a conventional speaker, and features dual 12-watt amplifiers for the dual woofers. This thing actually performs very well. Let's check this out. Comes with an AC adapter. That's just a standard USB. I guess it's to charge the batteries up. And a case. Looks like a carry case. What else is in here? A plug adapter. Oh, that's for the adapter itself. So depending on what market you're in, you will get a plug adapter for your country for the charger. So the plug adapter just snaps in place. That way it can be used universally. And to release that, you just push the button down and it'll pop out. So that way you can get different adapters for different markets. That's actually a smart way of doing things, because then one adapter is universal. So there's the adapter, and this thing, what's the rating on this? 2 amps, 5 volts. That's to charge it and probably to power it up. And this thing's actually got quite a bit of weight to it. Let's check this out. You'll see it's still factory sealed. Nothing's been opened on this unit. So this is an electrostatic Bluetooth speaker. And that's the speaker itself. Let's take a look at the specifications, and then we're going to try this unit out. I'm going to take this unit and I'll make recordings of it in the studio using my studio microphone. Like other Bluetooth speakers, there are multiple modes that it can operate in. It can operate as a stereo speaker, or if you have 2 of them, you can pair the 2 of them together, and then one will function as your left channel and the other will function as your right. Now, I'm going to do some recording. We're going to record from the speaker through my studio microphone and get the best possible sound quality. And the sound quality of this unit is actually very impressive. The treVolo S speaker is a electrostatic speaker design, like high-end electrostatic speakers. These are actually the active panes here for your left and right channels. It also has woofers built in. 4 amplifiers are in use, and the electrostatic design reduces the harmonic distortions from about 10% down to 1% compared to conventional speakers. I'm just going to pair this to my phone so that we can listen to the sound quality on it. So on the top there's a button for pairing. I guess I got to turn it on first. Okay, unit's on, and it's entered pairing mode as the light's flashing. I'm going to look for it. There it is. I'm just pairing this to my BlackBerry, only because my Android phone, the battery went dead on. Let's take a listen to this. I say the sound you're going to hear, I'm going to dub in sound that was recorded in the studio, but let's just take a listen. Construction-wise, this feels to be very well built. These are the radiators here, electrostatic radiators. You've got your base radiators here with ports on either side. This is for the base frequencies. The higher frequencies radiate out from these electrostatic radiators. And if you are not familiar with how electrostatic radiators work, there's lots of information on the internet about electrostatic speakers. But typically they were, in the past, very expensive type speakers that audiophiles loved because of the sound. They are very bright, as we've heard. Sound quality of this thing is excellent. I've been playing around with this thing, and I actually set my microphone up right in front of it, like right in front of the speaker itself, to record it. And I was listening with headphones while I was making the recordings, and the sound quality of this thing, it just blew me away. I'm just wondering if there's a way that we can get into this thing. I'd like to see what the inside of the guts on this thing look like. And I'm just looking to see if I can see any screws, and I'm sure that there are probably some that are underneath these clips, which there are, and they appear to be little small Torx. I don't know if I've got a Torx bit that small. You can also plug it directly in through USB to your computer. Plug in the USB cable, plug it into your computer, and the computer will automatically detect it. I can switch over to it if I go into my settings. It might even already be on. Go down to Control Panel and go down to Sounds. And you'll see, oh, it's already selected the speakers automatically, so I don't have to do anything. As soon as I plug it in, it detects it. So now the sound, instead of playing through my existing speakers, it'll play through
the music, baby.
The BenQ.
The only royalty-free library that competes. Pay for it once, use it forever.
Fantastic sound. Also has a sound button on top to change your sound. Press the mode button. That turns on the 3D sound.
Let's hear more.
Off and on. I can search stuff here. And I can play directly from their website. Unplug it, it'll switch back to my crappy speakers in my laptop. I think you know where this is going to be used. Phenomenal sound. That's called batteries are weak, sir. Go and get a new one. The treVolo S also features near field communication. There we go. Pair the device, yes. So now when I play it, it's connecting, and it's now connected. Also included is a nice carry bag. Turn off the unit itself. Fold away the speakers. Drop it into its protective carry sleeve and transport it to your next location. That'll protect the unit from getting banged up and scratched. Ready to go, just open it up. Remove it from its protective cover. Flip out the speakers. Power it up, and you're ready to go. 3 seconds. Didn't hold it long enough. There we go. It's powered up. It'll automatically pair to the device it was paired to. Now it's already paired to my phone again. If I were to unpair it from my phone, okay, no longer it is paired. To pair it to my phone, all I need to do is just tap it. It'll ask if I want to pair. I say yes. Any near field phone will pair. That simple. And then it's ready to go. It's now connecting. That's it. Ready to go. Want to unpair it again? I just go into my settings, connections, Bluetooth devices, find the one I want to unpair, hit unpair, and done. Couldn't be simpler. Hope you enjoyed this look at the treVolo S Electrostatic Bluetooth speaker from BenQ. Thanks for watching.